welcome to Free Tech TV. So today what we have for you guys is another quick video here. As you know, Mobile World Congress is just ahead of us here, starting February 26th. Very exciting, a lot of new phones are going to be coming out, and one phone in particular that we are going to be talking about today, there's been a lot of buzz about it, is going to be the Galaxy S9, an anticipated phone by a lot of cell phone users out there. So we'll get into the rumors, the specs, the leaks, all that, and so we'll dive into the rumors here. We'll take a look at some of the renders that have been circling around the internet, the features, all that good stuff. So thanks for joining in, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's get into it. And one of the sources here say that the Galaxy S9 could present itself with about the same size battery that the Galaxy S8. Now the Galaxy S9, the price you can expect it to be right around where the Galaxy S8 launched. So in the area of $725 US. Now some of the new features that are coming to the Galaxy S9 you're going to see are going to be an in-screen scanner, of course a water repellent coating, 5.8-inch Quad HD screen. Now, as you know, every time a new Galaxy phone comes out, the phone always has a little bit smaller bezels, maybe a little bit curved design, nothing less here. And the S9 claims that it'll have a 90% screen to body ratio, which is fantastic. A lot of phones out there are around like 75, 80%, so 90% you can expect very much off screen, similar to how the iPhone did with the iPhone 10. Now, of course, the Galaxy S9 will have an improved camera with some new features, a variable aperture camera, which would be great for manual use, taking great pictures in all sorts of environments there, certainly no worries. And looking at some of these pictures here, you can definitely see a little bit of the change of design, make it a little bit more appealing. Now, in terms of the OS and power, could be looking at a Snapdragon 845 or Samsung's own chip 98010 chipset, and probably keeping 4 gigabytes of RAM within the phone. That's our video for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. I'd like to thank you for tuning in and watching. This has been Free Tech TV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to more videos like this coming every week to you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next video.